Metro. I'm not nice. Bitch, fuck a rapper. I don't do no beef. If you mention me, it's on sight. Bitch, I'm in fade mode. Scrap your niggas, M-side niggas. Talk dumb, you get slap your nigga. Try me, you get clap your nigga. I've had enough of you lame niggas. You might still trapped in chains, nigga. Don't try way down my zone, nigga. You don't watch that.
And RadioDR.
Reporting live Ngakini, it's your boy MJ, holding it down, city to city, titty to titty. We in this bitch, deeply with your boy, one of the hardest working motherfuckers in this motherfucker.
Amen.
Let it be known, the legendary, the king, Metro.
Yeah, MJ, my nigga.
You shitting on these motherfuckers, dog. You shitting on these motherfuckers, face. You shitting on them thoroughly, dog. Getting them plays on Spotify and shit. I saw you got to, I thought you posted it over 10,000 plays and shit like this motherfucker. We're supposed to send you messages.
Never, my nigga. We're all about to eat.
No, you're hustling, dog. The work ethic is dope. The work ethic is fucking. The work ethic is where it needs to be, dog. Boom, face. So you're putting in work, my G. You're putting in fucking work. Go hundreds, Ngakini. Reporting live Ngakini, so boy, city to city, city to city. Shout out to Deeply Rooted DBN. We in this motherfucker. Let's let the people know where Metro's from. Let the people know what's going on.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
All right, I go by Metro Boy, a.k.a. the freshest freshman, a.k.a. some danger, wasemlazi, Metro wasemlazi, gonke, you know. Kamwaga Mlazi, NUZ is what I rep, South Africa is what I rep. I'm a recording artist, hip-hop. I love writing music. I just love music in general, bro. So that's what I'm about.
You a hustling motherfucker, dog.
Yes, sir. That's all it's about, bro.
Let the people know when it started, dog. Is the project you're about to release your first project or what's going on?
Nah, man. We've been working, bro. So I think it was 2015. You know, December. That's actually when I actually, started going in and saying, you know what, I'm actually doing this for real.
Because weed?
What?
Do you have weed?
Weed?
Yeah.
I got a lot of it.
See, the ones will crash? I'll crash. Continue.
Set to my nigga. So yeah, bro. 2015 it kicked off. I think I recorded my first track, like Plan B.
Shout out to Plan B.
Shout out to Plan B. The legend, So from there, I never looked back because I've always loved music, and because primary school I was in the choir, did a whole lot of that, so it was dope.
Shout out to all them primary schools with the music programs. We appreciate y'all. Now in primary, there was a music program, and it helped me out a lot, bro. It helped me out a lot, dog. I'm fully and completely, dog. But continue. This ain't about me.
Yeah.
This is about your boy Metro. Shitting on you niggas.
Yeah. So that was back in Morningside Primary, and from there, I think the love for music just elevated, bro. Because I went to Northwood. I took part in the school. The talent show, it was dope, and everything has just been happening the right way. No rush, timing is always right, bro.
Get the product right, get the image right, get the artist right.
For real.
And things are gonna fall into place like how they're falling into place for you, my tree. The right way, dog. The people are fucking with your shit. Continue.
Yeah. So we have a new album. It's a collab project with my boys, AK Notido. 10 tracks. We put in the work. Shout out to all the producers involved. So us being 3 different solo artists.
So it's the 3 of y'all a joint working about
Yeah. So like we literally took our talents, put it together. Senzi po my nigga. So it's a massive. That's what we're doing. So on the 31st. Halloween, we're dropping. We're gonna supply a couple of music videos for the people. We recently dropped a track last week Friday, Hipponics. That's booming. The streets is loud, bro. We're going in.
We're gonna shoot the video for you.
Yeah.
In that ass. Motherfucker. Holding it down, Mlaz. Continue, nigga.
Shit, bro.
Talk your shit.
So like, the whole idea about the project came just before we locked down because we recorded this during the lockdown. Yeah, but just before it yeah, you know, it was a matter of hitting up the homies. It's homies. There's this idea of a project. You know, first hit up Udo Time and like we hit it. You know, recorded the first track and same day we went to AK and like listen to this. We got this happening. And he's like, damn, this shit fire. And like we worked and next thing we got 10 tracks and we're going in. Yeah, it's titled Innovation. So yeah, I think the title speaks a lot in terms of volume. So yeah.
Let the people know. What's the name of the project?
Innovation.
Yeah, let the people know who you worked on, who you worked with, production.
In terms of production, we got AK. You know, us being artist out 3, we all have our different producers, and like we have different styles. We all rappers, but it's different to a certain point. So like umuntu came in with the producers or whoever they felt like working with with their own flavor. So Tito came in with his people. AK came in with his people. Now he's also on like some production stuff. So he's also on one of the beats. Lapa. I also came in. The track we dropped, Hiponics was produced by my nigga Mr. Illicit. He's out in Cape Town. He's originally from Johannesburg, but he's currently in Cape Town. Shout out to him. Again, yeah.
Connect, dog. Connect. Your network game is on fleek.
Hey, shout out, bro. Bro.
Let the people know what's going on. Is Metro independent? Is Metro signed? Is Metro what's the team looking like?
Yeah, all right. So to be honest, I feel like not a lot of people can and will value my music as much as I do. Yeah, well, I do have a partner who's out in London. Yeah, but he's just a homie who saw me online and was like, "Yo, I have this vision."
Shout him out, though.
Yeah, shout out to Titan Prod. Titan Prod out in the UK. Titan.
All right.
Yeah, the homie. Let me actually just like tell you guys about the whole fam from the start. So we started off with because he's also in a production group titled Dirty Diamonds. So him and his other homie from France, they're originally from France and they moved to London. So they were working as producers. They hit up artists from across the globe, and from there we got working on that. And then Titan obviously had the vision of just more than just collaborating. He wanted to start a label. Nakon, it's more of like an independent label, So he started that, and he's like, "Yo, bro, I need shooters. I need soldiers. Metro boy, what's that? Yeah, bro." And then, because like, hey, I know what happens in terms of like I'm a deal and niggas getting ripped off and all of that. So like I told him if I'm about to do this and actually let you, because like it matters, bro. Like Titan, my nigga, it matters. I even want to upload my own music up, bro. That's how I'm with this independent shit. So I was like, if you wanting to actually be involved in my music, I gotta get that Metro deal. I gotta get a different deal. I need all my ownership and all of that. You check. So he was like, bro, let's get it. I get your vision. I understand his vision. And then it's like, bro, we started with Corp Volume 1. That's literally just him introducing and putting everyone together and introducing a Corp. And then from there, I've dropped Far From Home. I released the single Generational Zulu. That's currently my biggest song out. It's actually track 1 from my album dropping 2021. Yeah, but that's for later, because right now we still got a whole lot of projects and my tape, at least 2 mixtapes I'm trying to drop. So like the goal is to eventually drop my album, still in the works. So that's coming. That's coming.
Kinegu on my kid London thing.
Blacker. Yeah. Ting.
Yeah. Zasha, dog, connect with them niggas, dog.
Yeah, bro.
Niggas, dog.
Yeah.
Teamwork make the dream work. Also, it's basically a partnership sort of situation.
Yes.
No, that's dope, dog. As long as he respects you, understands the situation, and he's still pushing you, dog.
Facts. That's my partner.
Yeah. And now foot's our own portrait, dog.
Facts. Yeah,
bro. Dog. Oh,
yeah.
fuck.
Yeah, bro.
Let
Hey.
me know, nigga.
Yeah, and I think one of the things that inspires me a lot is actually I was actually talking to the homie Utiro just before we came here. I was like this music thing is more of my life and a spiritual thing. Yeah, but just beyond making the music, it's more of a thing. I would see like I take it deep into that level. I feel like if I can do more good with the music, if the music puts me in a position where I'm powerful enough to do more good, that's definitely coming back to me 10 times more.
Yes.
Yeah, but so I feel that just keeps me going. I think it could have been anything. If I'd been a rugby player, if whatever rugby puts me at or gives me, I could have just done good with it, and that's just how I am, bro.
Fez.
So
No, you're a
yeah,
hardworking motherfucker, bro.
shout out, my nigga. Shout out.
No motherfucking lie.
Shout out to
We
that.
need more videos. We need more bitches.
Yeah.
More weed.
Amen.
We need to get in that motherfucker, dog. I'm reporting live.
Yeah.
We need to support him, chain.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have with motherfucking homie Metro.
Yes, sir.
Holding it down. Hiponics just dropped. Oh shit. Dude. I'm nice. Bitch, fuck you on.
Yeah.
Nigga, shit.
Yeah,
dog.
Hiponics.
Goes in, dog. And you fucking killing him with that drill shit too. Hell is hot.
Yeah. Yeah, my nigga. Yeah.
Hell is hot. Oh,
That's how it's going. That's the drill
Let me
shit.
cover Azimudiasha.
Shout out to my boy Louis Sativa. Louis Sativa, Chronic the Great. Louis Sativa, aka Chronic the Great. He be designing a whole lot of my artworks nowadays. So shout out to him.
He did the artwork for that.
Yeah. He's also an artist. I think he's out in Gauteng. But he's awesome lads now. That's my brother. Shout out to him. Yeah, check him out.
Doing his fucking thing.
Yeah, he's doing his thing. He's a cool soul. He's a dope dude.
Hey, dog, hell is hot as a motherfucker. Hell is hot.
Yeah, that's coming with the drill tape.
Hell is hot.
Yeah.
Dog, we're gonna hit that blunt later on.
Yeah.
Keep that motherfucker on reserve. Reporting live Ngakini support J. Shout out to Boko Meshente. Shout out to Woka my ex. We appreciate y'all. Shout out to Boko Koko. Shout out to everybody supporting us. Shout out to Boko my Anteza. Shout out to Zokin Tom's all over. Shout out to Boko Bay. Shout out to everybody putting in work. A lot of motherfuckers in Europe looking at us, dog. Oh shit, dog.
Yeah, co-op shit. That's how
So
we
many
do.
motherfuckers showing love. It's overwhelming, dog. Now we need to just figure out how we gonna cash in, get that motherfucking money, change our motherfucking lives, pull up in them Lambos, them G6s, them Ferraris.
Yeah, bro. We need all of that. In fact, when it's time to cash out, we need all them funds. We need every percent. We need the most.
But like, have you thought about now, like, let's say, branching out and branding and merchandising and like, what's going on outside of the music scene?
Yeah. Right now, I have a brand called Sway Clothing. I actually started that back in high school. So if you're a homie from Northwood and you was cool, you already know what's up. So I have a new line I'm designing. So it's a matter of just sampling some designs, and as soon as I figure it out, because I'm just gonna brand the Sway and the Metro Boy brand.
Fair, so
Go cool,
get
and
that
just
motherfucking money, cash.
yeah, like more than just the money, it's just representing myself well. I feel it's time. Yeah, and like, damn, I recognize that KwaZulu Republic merch right now.
Nigga.
I was seeing
Nigga, I was talking about me. I ain't talking about me. This ain't about me.
Yeah.
This about my nigga Metro.
Yeah, Ngakini. Yeah, looking
dog.
neat, man.
I'm getting it, dog.
Yeah, that's the plan. Every angle. I heard you say something about visuals, more visuals coming up, bro. Coming up. So we wanna go in.
Behind them scenes, studio sessions getting smoked out.
Yes.
Shitting listening to some dope beats. Putting in the work. Shitting on you niggas. Fuck with me. I'm
Lies, bro.
holding it down. City to city. Titty to titty.
Yabo, lepatha le pull up Ngakini trademark ngempela dog. Ngakini. For real, bro.
Shout out to everybody showing me love, dog.
Yeah.
I'm getting all types of love from places that I wasn't even fucking expecting, dog.
That's
We're
that
gonna do
work.
the video for that shit, dog. I'm buzzing, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just that I'm trying to align everything with the merchandise that I've got going on, yeah, bro. Like I have to do the video with everybody wearing KwaZulu Republic, dog.
Dope,
It's
dope,
not just
dope,
another music
dope.
video. Hey, we are rap. Ooh, nah, dog. We pushing the merch at the same time, helping other business, putting other businesses. Like the concept of the thing is just like visiting other businesses and that I fuck with and all of it. Everything pushing and spanning up that I'm cool with, like the conjunction, you know, la PTUT or temperature, but so Babs, you know, all of it putting in work.
Shout out to Babs.
Yeah, but shout out to SMP, shout out to Mshen, shout out to V. Pete Dog is back in Durban, I think. Fanging Valley, make some music. Whole lot of amazing shit going on right now. So Durban is hot as fuck, dog. The block is hot and I'm loving it, Fez. Like some very good energy floating around, Fez. So it's teamwork, you're on fleek, or can't basibhekile, Fez. So yabo nje, Fez. First back again, dog. Oh my word.
Yeah.
Thoroughly.
Like KZN is hot for real, bro. Like I've been listening to a whole lot of new projects. Yeah, Dropile, Lord Script, I think dropped. He dropped some dope trap shit. Yeah. A lot of new music from the city. It's been hella hot, bro. I like what's happening.
Shout out to Utando no. Who's that guy? Utando no Bamfez. What's this guy name? Utando Beskuboba.
Oh, damn, bro. Hey, ngibonile le mpahla le. Yeah, wobbly. Yeah. Not too wobbly. Teabag.
Yenza masimba. Ha. Oh shit.
Yeah, shout out to everyone involved in that. That was hella dope.
It's
yeah.
What a video.
Come on, baby, make a move.
What a motherfucking video. Hey boy.
Shout out to Tino, that editing was dope.
Tino's a G.
Yeah.
Tino's a motherfucking G.
AKB Kala, cool. Shout out to that nigga.
Putting in work, dog. We need to have that motherfucker on the show.
Yes,
hey, yo,
sir.
Tino, when you gonna come to the show, nigga?
Yeah.
Shout out to Dan, when you gonna come through? We need y'all.
Ngakini.
Shout out to Wonkolo Chester, Ville Montclair holding it down, doing the motherfucking thing. Celestial Michaels, the glue, all of that shit. T-Bag holding it down. So CCE. Oh shit, shout out to Wobbly. Feds, all over putting work, and I'm proud of the whole situation going on right now, Feds. I want you to say,
it's hot, bro. It's hot.
Kuzo nyi, mhlawumbe khona uzokhulela, mhlawumbe nje khona festive baby. Mhlawumbe nje khona festive baby nje, hey bo uzovele nje eyangazi toka, hey bo. Hayi bo. Ngiyaphandwa dog, all of abaphusha face, and I'm fucking happy with all this fucking shit. Who did that shit? There's a video that you played for us when I think Tange dog, and there's a video that you played for us dog. Who did that shit?
Cope Abapelimore.
Phase.
Yeah.
Oh, it called Beyond the project.
Yeah, that was Titan. That was track 1. Cause the beat is actually from no producer from France called Lady in Red. She's also part of the Corp gang.
Shout out to all the female producers.
Yeah, shout out to Lady in Red.
Shout out to all my people
in
in France. We motherfuckers.
Yeah, that's the fam. So we just did it. I think I was in Pretoria when the homie sent the beat. So nje ngahlani so love la PTAs ngena to sent it back. Yeah, when I came back to the city, Qalunya nje shot the video with cinematic. Shout out to my boy Trigger Beats. Check him out. He went hard. Shot the video. Site direct and the editing was beautiful. Yeah, it's been dope. So people have received it nicely.
Yeah, dog, I must see you dog, on fucking thousands and thousands of streams. Shit, what the fuck? Yeah. Nigga, let's get it out, dog. Bangene first.
Yeah, my nigga.
Dog. Oh my god, first. Jewel EP, just Afrobeats nyana, just for the mummies. No me go 4.
Hey, my nigga, nakona
dedicated to your bitch,
Kali City,
your girl,
Kali Dubane, lapo, my nigga.
Fair, so
we'll make it work.
4-track EP nyana, Afrobeat nyana,
I will put in the work and make it work. On.
So wasn't you always kid man? So EP like kaked. Yeah. Oh shit. Niggas are putting in work. Dog, we whole lot of it, so amazing fucking music. Or put me the dog in like a space of 2 months.
Dog, hey, it's hella crazy.
Ever since ku level 1. Wait. Hey, all over face, hey, boy, ha, face. Oh shit, dog. It's an amazing fucking vibe, face. Oh no,
And
bullshit, dog.
I can't even wait to get to my event. Ngoba so level 1. I haven't been to an event in a while. Hey, so
Well, I mean, the last time I performed was the Robin Third Floor thing, but a proper like events function, dog. It's been a minute.
damn. Nakona yazi umkhuseli from the Why Not podcast. Shout out to the Why Not podcast. Like
All over bam, Lomkusel and Sean.
yeah. Damn. In fact, that was the first time. I don't know if them niggas actually know. But the first time Metro Boy actually visited a studio was because of them niggas out in Newlands.
Yeah,
Kuseli's fam. Lape in Newlands, bro. I think I was a youngin. Yeah, bro. Konam Kuseli, I think the other niggas always, bro. That's fam. Shout out to them. Like the first time I ever went to a studio, seen niggas working, and like it was interesting.
Shout out to all my Newlands niggas, all lunatic in face, all schooling face, all Sean in face, all D-Dub holding it down. Shout out to all Nights, all Dynamic face. It's all love on that side, dog. Newlands is my second home, dog. It's all love. Newlands, Zuma, Clermont, Marshall, Montclair, face, Lamonti. Come on, dog. It's all love on this side, face. City to city.
Yeah, bro. It's like ngiyabonga about Dusho about the Robin Third Floor. Bengithi ngisasho ukuthi umkhuseli actually sent me like an invite yakhona ethi nje ngipull up, but like I was just too busy. But ngabona I really wanted to go. Yayinjani yona, dog?
Usho the tour.
Yeah, I think he was one of the latest events Aisha like Duban.
Last year.
Nah, I'm talking about in last month or something.
Oh, this year it was an event with him and Jägermeister.
Yeah, that
It wasn't
that
like
event.
a physical situation where like fair
Yeah.
it was just an online thing. Just
Nah,
performing
dude, they did event like I think it was last month. Yeah, but where it was like I think it was like Abanbe attend, bro.
Did?
Yeah. Nakona, but I think you'd know though. But like I'm a check.
Oh, the listening session.
Yeah, dog. That's the thing angithi ngifuna ukuya kuyona, but like akuvumanga umuntu ayibambekile that day. Yeah.
But so,
How's that?
you know, he's a hustling motherfucker. Let me treat the dog.
Yeah.
He's a hustling motherfucker. Izazi Pumele, we're getting a whole lot. Well, I'm getting a whole lot of love for that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Izazi Pumele, dog. And we're actually cooking up a young snacking yana with him again. I think he's trying to drop it sometime this summer. But
Fuck it up, niggas.
We need
fuck
more. Well, the key to how these things work is obviously the more music you have, the more money you make. Your catalog is basically your assets. You know what I mean?
Hey,
So
facts.
the more music that's out there, the more people that's gonna fuck with you, and then you start developing something called a super fan. Every fucking album, every fucking video, and then he's like, okay, fine, nigga. Yeah, I want to purchase something, though. What the fuck is going on? I fuck with you.
Facts.
Oh my god. Let me cop some. Oh, the CD out. Fuck, let me just buy the physical copy. Oh, this shit is out. Let me buy this. Oh, you got tickets to a show. Let me cop that. You know what I mean? That's why we do that shit. Well, not just for the streams, but to, was there a new person trying to fuck with you? And there's enough work for that to happen.
Yeah, bro.
My project is 5. You know what I mean? So catalog is a major fucking key, dog. It's a major fucking key. Catalog is a major fucking key. That's where the bag at. That's where the bag at, dog.
Facts.
Yeah,
Facts. Yeah, like shout out to you guys. The song is why producer Yonkela project.
Oh yeah, showcase.
Yeah, I heard I haven't heard the full thing yet. I heard Le no Cannibal.
Izinj.
Yeah. Yeah, what thing is it? Yeah, shout out to that. Yeah, shout out to Robin. I don't know him personally, but like from you and the work you advertising everywhere. Yeah, push. Now what am I nigga? I've seen you promoting that project. Hella dope, bro. Going in.
You need to make noise, bro, as best as you can
Hey,
to your own circle.
That's truly what it's about, my nigga.
Okay, I'm fully and completely done. But like, let the people know where they can fuck with you, where they can find you
Yes,
on online
sir.
things, on them Instagrams, on them socials, on them YouTube channels. Like it's 10.
All right, Metro Boy is everywhere, literally.
Every motherfucking way in you house.
Ngakini nje ngikhona,
Ngakini.
like Instagram at ITSMETROBOY. It's Metro Boy. That's on Twitter. On Facebook, it's Metro Boy 1. That's the page. Yeah, you can search CopeMusic.com, CopeMusicLabel.com. You know, search the gang, see what we're about. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Spotify, iTunes, everywhere. Ngakini nje ngikhona.
Ngakini. Let it be known it's your boy Umtre holding it down. City to city with my player, my partner, my brother, my loved one. Metro holding it down. Boy, Hipponox video, motherfucking coming soon in that ass.
Coming soon.
No shit on you niggas. AK Tito, you know what it is. Ngakini.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Ngakini on RadioDR.co.za.